If you're experiencing an installation loop with Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Shut down your computer completely and then restart it. This can often resolve temporary issues and refresh system processes. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause installation problems. Step 3. Run Origin or EA Desktop as administrator. Right-click on the Origin or EA Desktop icon and select Run as administrator. This can provide the necessary permissions for the installation process to complete. Step 4. Clear Origin or EA Desktop cache. Navigate to the cache folder for Origin or EA Desktop and delete its contents. This can help clear any corrupted files that might be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall Apex Legends. If the issue persists, uninstall Apex Legends completely and then reinstall it. This can resolve any installation issues by starting fresh. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the installation loop and get back to playing Apex Legends. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.